just the value of a variable. Imagine we're working at a bake sale and want to keep track of how many cupcakes we have by creating a variable called num_cupcakes. Int num_cupcakes equals 12. If we baked 8 more cupcakes, we know that we could update our variable using the plus operator. Okay, so instructions number 1, you are also in charge of keeping track of how many cookies there are at a bake sale, or at the bake sale. This value is represented by the variable number num_cookies. A customer comes and buys 3 cookies. Use the appropriate compound assignment operator to reflect this change. Okay, so we basically just going to reassign num_cookies. If they buy 3 cookies, we're going to have to deduct 3 every time. Let's run that. Okay, so another customer buys half of the remaining cookies. Use the appropriate compound assignment operator to reflect this change. Okay, so another customer buys half the cookies. And we can just divide it by 2. There you go. Order of operations. If we were to place multiple operators in a single expression, what operation would the compiler evaluate first? Int num equals 5 multiplied by 10 minus 4 plus 4 divided by 2. The order of operation dictates the order in which an expression like the one above is evaluated. Operators that share the same precedence are evaluated from left to right within the expression. So the order is as follows: parentheses, exponents, modulo, multiplication, division, addition, and subtractions. Right, so instructions number 1. Take a look at the expressions in operations.java. Solve the value of each of the expressions on your own. To find out if the calculations are right, uncomment the print statements and run the code. Alright, manipulating variables greater than and less than. Now we're withdrawing money from our bank account program and we want to see if we're withdrawing less money than what we have available. Java has relational operators for numeric data types that makes Boolean comparisons. So these include less than and greater than, which help us solve our withdrawal problem. Okay, so instructions number 1. The expression that checks if the amount of credits you have earned, is greater than the number of credits you need to graduate, credits to graduate. Okay, so number 2, create a variable called credits after seminar that holds. Okay, so let's start first with the variable credits seminar. It holds the amount of credits earned after taking a seminar, which is worth credits seminar credits. Credits of the seminar should be the sum of credits earned and credits of seminar. So we're going to add these two variables together. Credits earned and credits of seminar. We're just quickly going to print it out to the console. Okay, I've got probably some typo here. Oh, it says here print out whether credits to graduate is less than credits of the seminar.